It's not that they have more willpower or more self-control. It's that they're good at managing the cues in their environment. Now, I've always been told I was a very disciplined person, and I have to say that I do manage cues in my environment and have learned how to do that. For example, I don't have salty chips in my kitchen because I know that if I have salty chips or pistachio nuts or anything tasty like that, I will eat them. And I don't mean gradually eat them. I mean attack them. Take no hostages. You're getting eaten. So I don't carry that in my kitchen, period. I don't buy it because I will eat it.